Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download games on your Amazon tablet. So in the first step, open the Silk browser, then go to the APK site. Remember, this is unofficial source, so you have to be careful, because this is a risk that you can download a virus or something like that. So choose your trusted site and look for your game in the APK file. So now just download APK and download APK again. Click on the OK, and now we have to wait a second. Okay, we're done. So now just tap on your file. If you're doing it for the first time, you have to enable permission to your web browser for the unofficial source and click install. Now we can open it. And how you can see, it's worked perfect. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.